Welcome to mtstechnik workshop. My name is Kacper, and in this video I'll present you our height adjustable spring kit designed for vehicles based on Volkswagen Auto Group's MQB Evo platform. The kit includes black anodized aluminum height adjusters for both front and rear suspension. Front height adjusters feature a double-sealed slide bearing that fits into original top mounts, as well as hexacoil adjustment nuts. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of this small clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of height adjustment. Additionally, this kit comes with dedicated dust covers for front suspension and adapters with rubber inserts for rear suspension. These adapters make height adjustment way easier and reduce any potential noises caused by suspension movement. Wherever it was necessary to increase the working range of front suspension, dedicated bump stops are included. In the box, alongside the mentioned components, you will also find springs manufactured by a German company eibach. Their progressive characteristics ensure maximum comfort and excellent driving performance. The key advantage of height adjustable lowering springs is that you can install them, lower your vehicle and adjust its height without losing the functionality of DCC suspension. Besides the kit itself, the packaging also includes 2 adjustment wrenches, mtstechnik stickers and any necessary documentation. Thanks for watching.